We'll guide you through how to find your project URL key in Supabase. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Pauser is now going to continue with the guide.
Now first, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for supabase.com and hit enter. Now here, just go ahead and sign in with your account. And once signed in, just go ahead and click on start your project. And after that, just go ahead and select the project that you want to get the API URL from. So just select your project by just clicking on it. And once you're inside the project, at the left hand side, you will see project settings. Just go ahead and click on it. And after that, under integration, you will see data API. Just go ahead and click on it. And here you will see API URL key. You can just go ahead and press on copy to copy the URL and use it wherever is needed. You will also find other API information on the page, but if you are only looking for URL, this is where you will find it. And that's it. That's how you find your API URL in Supabase. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video.